Back on now. I'm absolutely covered in shite. My gloves are rank, my hands are rank, my top's rank, my jacket's banging. But we've got him out the bog, which is good. I was going to go and have a look at that house. In fact, I might still go and have a look at the house because I'm here now, aren't I? So let's go and have a quick look at this abandoned house here. Come on. Let's go and have a quick look at the abandoned house. Oh, fucking throttle lamps covered in shite. For fuck's sake. Oh, my grip's covered in shite and everything. Fucking hell. Oh, fucking hell. Now think of that, somebody used to actually live here. Unreal. What a place. Wow. Look at that, what an absolute shame. Sacrilege. 2 chimney breasts and 2 fires downstairs. That's a shame that. I mean, who wouldn't love a house here? Fucking hell. Unbelievable. So now I've got to negotiate the water again. Just let me see if I can clean this fucking glove off a bit. Nothing worse than your hands slipping on your grips. Grips are covered in fucking mud and shit. Gloves are minging. So when you make mistakes, when you've got slippy hands. The bank's really over. Try and lean the bike that way so it doesn't catch the foot peg. Fucking hell, that was hard work that. I hope I've got all that on camera because that was hilarious. So rather than do the water, obviously he decides he's going to go through the fucking side bit, through the mud, and it's obviously fucking like just sucked the front tyre straight in. Oh, wet now, fucking hell. Where are you going to come up? Up here? Eric? Yeah, that was deep. That was fucking deep, that water. He should piss this as long as he doesn't fucking launch it into the opposite bank. And as long as that isn't dead soft there. Come on mate, get a run up. Trying to clear his rear tyre off. Go on mate, up you go. Straight up, go on lad. Ah! Hang on, hang on. Fucking hell. Oh, I'll clean my back wheelers. Fucking hell. See if I can see my bottom half of my number plate along here. That's another number plate busted. Must be G'ing out. The mud plate was beating the tyre. I can't remember if that was open or shut. I'm going to shut it just in case. Yeah, that was ultra deep, that. Right in the middle. Proper deep. Yeah, what a place. Let's go and see the secret lake, he says. He's fucking regretting it now. Fucking hell. Oh dear.